Good morning.
My dear people of Rivers State, I acknowledge the recent Supreme Court pronouncement of Governor Siminalayi Fubara's victory in the governorship election. As a committed Democrat, I respect the rule of law and therefore pursued the electoral process diligently. Regardless of the outcome, my belief in democracy and service to the people remains unwavering. I accept the court's decision without reservation, understanding that it aligns with what God wants at this time. Our collective goal is peace and a conducive environment for growth. I pledge to collaborate with all well-meaning individuals in and out of government to revive Rivers State to a place where commerce and development thrives and people can live harmoniously in peace. This has been my primary motivation in the political process, and nothing has shaken my resolve in that regard. Congratulations to Governor Fubara on his victory. I extend my hand of fellowship to the government and people of Rivers State for a brighter future. God bless you. God bless Rivers State. God bless Nigeria.